Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay using GCash in Netflix. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your preferred browser and search for Netflix. After that, go to the official website of Netflix and sign up to your account. After signing up, click on Finish Sign Up option, and then tap on Next button over here. Now choose a plan that is right for you with its details listed below each plan. Once plan is selected, scroll down and tap on Next button. Here, choose Digital Wallet as your payment method where GCash is available. Then enter the phone number connected to your GCash and then agree with its terms and conditions. And then click on Start Membership, and then you'll be sent to GCash to complete payment. So that's basically how you can pay using GCash and Netflix. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.